Tuesday morning, June 26th, a day with good environment, positive energy. Yesterday I gave out a clip about bullying, and I don't think I've ever got so many comments in one day about a clip that I posted. And I want to ask you a question. All of you head counselors, madrichim, melamdim, mashgichim, your principals, the first day usually in camp, you gather all the boys, all the girls, so you make the rules and regulations of camps. It's very important, and we're not against it. Every camp should have rules, but I think that the same gathering should be done for all the counselors, principals, melamdim, the entire staff, in lifeguard, no matter what it is. Everyone make a gathering and explain to them what it means bullying other kids. Because countless comments that I got yesterday is from adults that were bullied, and from mothers that are leaving me messages that the kids were bullied by counselors, by melamdim, even by principals. And this got to stop, because usually when a kid is bullied, he's going to continue to bully when he's going to grow up. So be an example. Make a gathering, the entire staff, and talk about not bullying other kids. Kids that are being bullied are destroyed for life. There are so many kids who are coming for camp for a month or for 2 months, and this is their outlet for the entire year. So many kids that you can never imagine are coming from very difficult homes. All they see is fighting in an unpleasant environment. In these 2 months in the summer is for them a huge relief. This is for them a breath of fresh air, and they are looking forward for this summer. And if they are being bullied, you basically completed the destruction, completed the misery that they have in the entire year, they're going to have in the summer too. You bear a huge responsibility of the well-being of kids. Everybody talks about child molestation, which is very bad, very bad. But believe me, bullying is just as bad. When you're bullying a child for no good reason, you're destroying this child for life. We have to make huge awareness. Gather your counselors, gather your entire staff. How many people told me that the lifeguards are making fun of heavy kids? And it's not necessarily heavy kids. It's everything. Could be short, could be a boy that has lips, could be just a boy that they just pick for no good reason. Talk about it and help Yiddish kinder.